I get that ooh, baby.
This is the Gigi hard wax. This is the wax that's melted in the Gigi hot thing. It's on. Yeah, and I have the instructions in the front. So I'm about to wax these brows, y'all. It's been a while. I've been using the Grande brows to make my brows grow. So you about to wax that thing, you feel? So y'all, these are the how you call it? The eyebrow supplies that I got from Amazon. This is the Milby wax stick, sets of 200. Got it from Amazon. Damn, my sticks are falling. So I'm gonna play with the wax to make sure it's melted. So I'm gonna cover it. It's a little bit melted, but it's still hard. So I'm gonna cover up the top just to, you know, let it melt quicker. It tints my eyebrows. I got this from Amazon as well, and this is also the waxing set. This is a trial pack. I bought 2 of these because I know, you know, I might run out quick, just in case, you know, I have some clients that want some, you know, eyebrow wax, you know, and eyebrows, not eyebrow wax, eyebrow waxing, underarm waxing, or bikini line waxing. So I bought 2 packs of it just in case I run out. But yeah, and I also do like face waxing as well. I need to do micro needling. You know how they use like aloe and have the razor, and I have the razor here. One day I'm gonna do that. I'm just, you know, shave my face because I have a lot of, you know, spots, my little pores and whatnot. But yeah, that's the Gigi pre-home wax. The pre-home, this is the pre-wax cleanser. You gotta put that first to cleanse it out, and it's the wax off. Wax remover for the skins. It's, you know, just to remove like any residues of the wax. And this is the post-wax cooling gel to help, you know, cool it down, calm down your pores, you know. And this is the slow grow oil, just to help, you know, not make your eyebrows grow that fast. And this is the premium brow henna, no lead, no ammonia, 100% natural henna. I have 3 of these. I have medium brown, dark brown, and this is deep dark brown. So I want my brows to be really dark, so I try the other 2, they're very light. I use those 2 just in case I have, you know, anybody like clients like lighter than me that have, you know, lighter brows. So this darker shade I use for me because I like my brows to be dark, you feel me? I know I look crazy right now, but it's okay. It's okay. This comes with the, you know, little thing to suck up the water. I used this before, and this is the castor oil brow elixir. This one have, what it have? Oh, it has sesame oil, castor oil, coconut oil, almond oil to help, you know, put on your brows to make it grow. I got this little parallel product, like an eyebrow gel. Let me see, make sure you guys see it. The angle brush to apply the thing. And I got the, how you call it, the brow henna. That's the powder. To powder, and I put it in this little cup. I'll put the water in this little cup and put the powder, mix it, and then apply it on my brow. I'm gonna start off with my pre-wax cleanser. I'm gonna clean out my brows with my Shiseido cotton. Gotta make sure ain't no, you know, oils or whatever on your face or on your brow area. Make sure everything's clean before you apply the wax. So this way helps makes the wax come off very easily. Let me come closer so you guys can really see. Okay. These are my Benefit Cosmetic Precisely Eyebrow Pencil. No, not Precisely Brow. Groove Fruit Brow Pencil. I'm going to use the spoolie part just to brush my hair up, guys. Gotta make sure your hair is brushed up so you can know where to wax. Okay, because we're using hard wax. So I'm going to remove just like this part of my brows. But make sure your hair is brushed up. You see how I have that little spot right there, see? So that's the part I'm going to wax out. So I picked a few. Gotta make sure you move it around so it can cool down. You gotta make sure it's not too hot. It's not too hot for me, but for clients it might be too hot, but my bad, y'all. So make sure you guys look up. I never did this on camera, so like bear with me, y'all. Like, ooh, you see how it's falling? I gotta go slow, but make sure if you're doing it on client, make sure like their eyes are closed. I'm used to doing it myself, so don't be scared like, ooh, it's going to your eye, girl. It's okay. Even if I take too much of my hair, it's okay. I got grande brows. That's gonna make my brows grow faster. See how quick it dry? Some tap, tap, tap. And it's drying real fast. So I'm gonna remove the wax the opposite way of where my hair is growing. Not this way, always that way. My hair growing this way, so I gotta remove it that way. So, oh, it's getting hard real quick. Okay. It hurts a little bit if you're doing this for the first time. Don't do this on yourself if you're not a professional. Make sure you go to a professional to do the eyebrow waxing, but if you are a licensed esthetician like me, you guys could practice at home. If you don't have any models or clients, you know, just try the technique that I'm doing. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Whew. Oh, Lord. See? Oh, damn. Look at all this hair. I don't know if you guys can see the hair. It look crazy now, but it's going to get better. I'm do one eyebrows on camera and one off camera. So I'm going to remove a little bit here. Just a little bit. Just got to make sure you're careful when you're placing the wax. Let that dry a little bit. My wax was getting thick. It was growing a lot because I was using a lot of that Grande brow. Okay, so it's cooling down. You're gonna tap, tap, tap. Make sure it's dry down. I don't like tweezing, so I just make sure I get all the hairs. And it does hurt. Hard wax hurt like crazy. Hold on. Oh, Jesus. It's okay. Okay. It's not too bad. I know y'all probably thinking like, girl, you took off most of your brows. It's okay, girl. It's gonna grow back. It was time for me to wax my brows. See the difference how bushy this one is? This one getting a little better. So I just gotta do a little bit right here in the front. Alright. Wax on off camera. So prepare this one. I'm gonna do this off camera because I want to make sure, you know, my brows are matching. You feel me? So I'm just gonna show y'all. Oh, this thing got hard real quick. So count to 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh, Jesus. When there's a lot of hair, it hurts a little bit. All these damn wax in my hair, y'all. This thing hurt like crazy. Jesus. It's coming together. On the top, I place it in the top area. I make sure I brush the hair downwards, you know, so, you know, it won't take too much of my top hair. So it's getting hard. I like the hard wax better than soft wax. Soft wax is the wax that's with the little paper strip. Like you put the wax on, use the strip, and just you remove it. I feel like with that wax, you can't really see where you're, you know, like removing the hairs, because you're gonna have to go back multiple times to remove it with the same strip. With the hard wax, I like because it dries quicker, and I can see where I'm applying it, and it's easy for me to like remove it and know where to remove. You feel me? So yeah, the hard wax is much better than the soft wax. This on your body, ooh, it's gonna hurt like crazy. They have different kinds of wax. Oh, Jesus. Oh, see that little hair right there? I don't know if you guys can see that little baby hair. It's getting there, it's getting there. Oh, it hurt like crazy. And all that, but it's a shape though. It's a shape part. It's clean. I put like a thick layer right here. And it does dry really fast, y'all. You gotta go slowly, very slow. And just drag it out. It gets very stringy, so you gotta move it around like that. So it'll dry for like a couple of seconds because it dried out within 3 seconds. Because the fan is on right now, so it's blowing it very quickly. My brows, this brow's longer than this one, but it's okay. It's not too bad. You know, I waxed it okay. It's not that bad, not that bad. I'm gonna like remove it upwards. Start flicking it, boom. Just a little bit here, not too much. The wax off, wax remover for the skin. So easy to remove wax residue. So it helps, you know, remove everything out. It's like a green color. Oh, that's too much. Hey, I'm doing a little bit, a whole lot coming out. Okay, I got my Shiseido cotton. Oh, it's cool. Okay, remove all the residue. Make sure your eyes closed, so you don't want nothing on your eyes. Post-wax cooling gel, skin refresher, you know, contains aloe vera, cucumber, and menthol. You know, I love me some cucumber and some aloe. It's gonna help cool it down. Hold on, come on now, come on. It looks like an aloe gel. It's clear. It helps with the pore. Oh yes, this feels so good. And it helps slick down the hairs as well. Oh, okay. Oh, that thing is cool, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh. My pores is open, honey. Okay, you see? I try my best. I know my brows ain't even all the way, but it's okay. That's why I'm gonna use the henna. I'm gonna create brows. I'm gonna create fake brows. My hair, you know, just to brush it out a little bit. I'm gonna go with my Benefit Cosmetic Brow Contour Pro. This is the eyebrow pencil that came with multiple colors. They don't have these no more in Sephora. You can also find these at Marshall's for like $10. That's where I got these from. So I'm gonna use this color, finer definitions, like a light neutral brown color, like a natural nude color. So I'm gonna use this just to trace out my brows. See that right here. My eyes are very sensitive, so the wax I already see is making my brows turn red. But it's okay, it's normal. So we're just following the shape of the brows. Cause when we do the henna, we wanna make sure our brows is on flick, honey. You see that? Bam. And that break out very easily. Just follow the shape brown. I don't know, I feel like this bone more archer than this one. Because I like my brows to be a little bit longer because you know I have natural short brows. Okay, it's not too bad. So I'm going to use the Premier Brown Henna Deep Dark Brown. This is the, you know, the little powder. Got the little cup I used it before. I'm going to pour just a little bit. You don't need much. Just a little, hold on, let me make sure. Yeah, I think that's all you need. And then I'm going to add water with this. And then I'm going to mix it around and I'm putting my brows. So I'm going to use this little stick. Mix it around, make sure it's all mixed. I don't want it to be, you know, too watery. Make sure all the powder is mixed in like that. So they get real dark and thick. It's been months since I did this, since what, the middle of last year. You see how I get this dark consistency? That's how it's supposed to look. Place that right here. Right now I'm going with my Parallel Solution Eyebrow Angle Brush. Of course, it's been used before. Dip that right in there. I think I need another brush, but it's okay. I'm gonna start from the tail, y'all. Always starts from the tail. Hold on, let me get my I need my mirror because I want to make sure my brows is on fleek. Okay, start from the tail. Middle to the tail, actually. On for like 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna wipe it off with the cotton, and that's how I'm gonna, you know, and that's what I'm gonna show you my brows, how it's gonna be on fleek. You feel me? One off. Let's see how this looks. And I'm gonna do it again, y'all. That's just the first layer, but it did got darker. Okay, okay. Not too bad, not too bad. My brows getting a little red. It's fine though. If you guys could see it, they got a little dark, you know. Let me clean this part up right underneath. My brows burning a little bit, but it's okay. Okay. Second layer. I look crazy, y'all. It's okay though, I look crazy. Just waiting a little bit. I'm about to take it off in 5 more minutes. I'm removing it now. Taking it off slowly for sure. Cosmetic, not the Benefit Cosmetic. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Freeze Gel just to place it on my brows so it could, you know, look more laminated. But it did give my brows like a nice tint, but not how I usually see on. Thank you guys for watching, you know, me waxing my eyebrows and tinting them. If you guys love this type of video, make sure you guys comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I know I look rough right now, I look crazy, but the brows is laminated with the brow freeze. It did give my brows a little tint. But anyways, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, give this video a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.